everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me here at my Mia channel. Today, the hills are alive with the sound of music. One of the greatest movies of all time, possibly the best musical of all time. If you have not seen this movie, you are missing out on one of the great movie experiences of your life. It's 60 years old and people still love this thing. That speaks volumes. And this is a new 4K release from Disney, although it's distributed by Sony. And let's look at this and unbox it. So I'm not completely crazy about the cover. I think this makes it look a little bit, dare I say it, too family friendly. It is a family friendly movie, obviously. But the thing is, it's also like a movie that adults can enjoy. Like it almost makes it look like a sing-along release or something of this. So I don't know. And then on the back you have like the kids, and there's the notes and stuff. And oh look, includes a sing-along version. So maybe that's intentional. Apparently, this is going to include 3 collectible postcards. It looks like the old Blu-rays are going to be included in this, which is good because there's some great special features on there. Unfortunately, the slipcover, as you might have noticed, has some dings in it because, you know, Walmart does not store their movies the best. So let's look at this. So you take it off, and of course it looks the same underneath. Kind of missed an opportunity to make this blue, but I know why they didn't do that. They didn't want people to confuse this for a Blu-ray, even though the Blu-ray's in there. So maybe that's a moot point. All right, let's take a look at this. I get nervous when they do this little shrink wrap plastic that pretty much every store has. It kind of makes you wonder if the thing had been tampered with or not. So let's open this. Let's take this. Oh, they're advertising like the CD and the record. You know that your music is good when it's advertising the actual physical media for the music, because even I don't buy that much physical music. Okay, so first of all, let's look at these discs. So we have great picture artwork on the discs. Here's the bonus features. This is the 4K disc, and that's an appropriate picture to use for that disc. And then the Blu-ray version of the movie. And yeah, no, these are all great picks. Love them. And I can't wait to see this in 4K. I did see it in theater, so I guess I technically did see the 4K re-release, but it's going to be fun to revisit it, you know, at home in 4K. All right, so let's take a look at these posters. So these are, I hate it when I have to open these like this, but you know, what the heck. For you guys, for the channel, and for prosperity's sake, let's look at the 3 postcards that came with this release. It's funny because, do anyone actually send these postcards out? I bet you most of these postcards get printed and they just stay in the cases forever, or unfortunately get thrown away. So there's the first one. That's an interesting choice. Yep, nope, those are good for the most part. 2 out of 3, not bad. Two out of 3 of those, and yep, they're gonna go right there, right there, because I'm not gonna be sending them to anyone. And yeah, so cover design aside, of course, the cover is kind of half the battle. I would have preferred a better packaging overall. I think this makes it look too much like a kid's movie when it's really a family movie. There is a big difference between kids and family movies. Kids' movies are movies that kids watch. Family movies are movies that the family can watch. And of course, they seem to be leaning into the whole sing-along thing a little too much, in my opinion. But all that being said, really happy to have the Sound of Music on 4K. It is just so nice. Oh, I forgot to put this back in. Oh well, I'll put that back in a second. Now, here's a little bonus for those who are watching. I actually already have this on digital. So this digital copy right here, it's yours. You know, if you take this code and you go to mymoviecode.com, first person to do it and redeem it, you can redeem this copy of The Sound of Music. If you get it, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, if you get it, like, let me know if you've seen it before, if this is going to be your first time. So, see, once in a while, folks, this is why you want to subscribe and watch to the end. I will give out a digital movie for you to put in your digital movie collection. But anyway, I would like to know, what do you think of this movie? What do you think of the packaging? I'd love to know, so comment below. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.